Hi guys, welcome to another one of our occasional best biking roads, and some of you may recognise this filling station because it's the start of many great riding roads. We're in Alston and we're heading to Middleton in Teesdale, and it's one of the best rides that I know of in this area. Just simply great. So shall we get into it? Quite close to another famous place, made famous a couple of years ago, wasn't it? Barnard Castle. Somebody went for his eye test there. Look at this road, eh? The view we've got to the right over there as well. The 360 might get that view, rather than me keep trying to look there when I should be looking where I'm going. Middleton in Teesdale, 19.5 miles. I mean, really, you can see the road going all the way across the valley for as far as you can see down here. And in places, it's a really fast road. Not that we're going to be going out of our way to break any speed limits today, are we? Because we're sensible, aren't we? All the time, yeah. We are when we've got the cameras going. Definitely one of England's better biking roads, this is. You're pretty sure you've locked onto a good road as well when you've got snow poles by the side of the road. You're definitely gaining height. This is just fabulous here, isn't it? Just amazing. I think it pretty well beats any of the roads we've put on as a best biking route in the Peak District. Just because of its sheer scale, really, isn't it? I'm afraid the Peak District doesn't offer anything this big. Yeah. Oh, get these things straight, those cattle grids. You definitely don't want to be banking over on them. Just makes you smile, doesn't it? It's just amazing. And it's amazing you're not in a queue of traffic, look, it's empty. This is definitely my #1 favourite in best biking roads that we've recorded so far. Absolutely glorious. You see for miles and miles and miles. You've just got this high position above the valley all the way down here. I like at the top of the snow poles there's two red stripes. That means, bloody hell, it's deep. Forest in Teesdale. If you are by any chance new to this channel, I'm Richard and the person in front is Carol. Yes. Carol's my wife. She's riding a Triumph Street 67775 vintage 2015, and I'm on an MT10 vintage 2016, possibly the best bike I've ever owned. We're just coming into High Force now, and on our left is the High Force Hotel, which we have stopped in. That was a couple of years back, wasn't it? Really nice. So yeah, and if you take the footpath, you have to pay, but if you take the footpath down opposite that hotel is High Force waterfall, and really worthwhile seeing, isn't it? No, you don't. So I'll stick a little clip of the High Force in action from when we went down there a couple of years ago. It is, and I'll in a minute I'll show you where you can stop and park up and take a walk down to. You can just see maybe the river down to my right, and that is the same river that the waterfalls are on. You see just down to the right there's a couple of people walking across the field here, and if you park anywhere here, Bolus Visitor Centre, take that footpath to my right now, that will take you down to the Low Force waterfalls. Really worth it, really recommend it, beautiful spot, and I'll stick you a clip of the Low Force waterfalls in. We will take you into Middleton and Teesdale. It's a lovely little village, yeah. And if you do fancy a stop at the end of this best biking road, there are some good cafes there, yeah. Yeah, there's an old Morris. That's old, isn't it? I don't see many of them on the road. Most of them have rotted. And here we are, guys, Middleton in Teesdale. Hope you'll agree it's a fabulous route, really. I know we've caught a few cars up on this last bit, but across the top especially, from Alston, just amazing. It's a lovely little village stroke town here, isn't it? Bar, pubs, hotels, fish and chip shop. That's the cafe we often stop at here. Yeah, just stop here for a sec. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that run. That's one of our favourite routes, isn't it? I think we're going to go and enjoy that again, because our digs are the opposite way. We've just done that road just for you guys to show you it. Fabulous. We're going to ride it without the cameras running, aren't we? So, catch you on the next one, eh? Thanks a lot for watching. Cheerio. Bye bye.